Hi everyone, today I'm going to share how I created this cactus. So this one I have done in Maya. I'll show the modeling here. So I created the pot and cactus separately. So I'm going to hide all of them. First of all, I'll take a cylinder. Go to polycylinder, get the height as 20 centimeter. Now we can smooth the edge, select the edge, double click, select bevel, segment 2, fraction 1. Select the vertices, press W, keep it out. Select one, shift, double click others, keep it up, scale with R. Okay. So now I'm going to give that this volume, this kind of. So here I'll select only this. Edges, and now go to mesh tool and select the transform. Now you can transform that in, like those edges you have to keep inside. Here you can see it has already transformed. So here also we have to fix. So this thing you can do as much as detail you want that way, and I want to give some bevel on them, those edges which is coming out. Select them, go to bevel again, and now also I'll give fraction 1 and segment 2, so there will be nice this kind of shape. So now what you can do is we can it looks very straight, so what we can do is we can select one edge, then control right click, by clicking that go to that ring and split, so it will just split in the middle, exactly in the middle. So we need to split some more. Again, control right click, image ring and split. So here also I'm going to giving some split. So now go to edge, right click, go to vertices and select them, scale it little bit to give some round shape in the middle. So I would have taken more, but now I'm just showing I just took this segment If you want, you can take more, just you have to increase that level. So now we have to create that thing. So this one, okay, now I'm going to hide this one first for a while. Okay, cactus main. Body. Cactus body. Okay, I'm going to hide this one. Now this one, select that and go to polish it, and you have to axis. I will reduce the axis to 8 and height also to 8. Enter. So now I'll hide this one. Oh, sorry. I'll duplicate this one, Ctrl D, and hide one. Another one is here. Now what you have to do is, I'll make this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll select these edges. Now Ctrl E to extrude them out. R. So here I'm just selecting those vertices and giving some sharp end. If you want, you can just create more. So I need only this much for the moment. That would be fine. Delete this part. So here is this one. Select this one, reduce it, and press E. Actually, we don't need to delete the bottom part, that also should be there, but I just deleted it. That's fine. So this edges has to go. So now first of all, what you have to do is we have to create the UV. So here is the UV. I'm going to create from that because I have to duplicate this one. So select this one, select the mesh, go to UV, go to camera based. Now from here we have to select where we want to cut. So I'm going to cut here, all of this corner, like only these edges. So only bottom edges I'm just selecting, and then I've selected all of them. Go to cut, unsaw and cut it. Now click right button and select the shell, go to modify and unfold. So here one I need to cut, one more, this one. like the shell, and then unfold it. Now we can scale and keep somewhere, because all the UV have to keep inside this box. So here. So now I can copy this. Just hold shift, go up, hold shift and clone them one by one. So all will be in one UV. Some has to come. Okay, I'm just showing quickly. It's like if you have the reference, you do according to your reference. Okay, now I'm going to select all of them and combine. Now select them, Control V and E. Press E to rotate them. So you can just directly rotate and keep here. Okay. So that's how you can get full things. So now I'm going to hide all of them because I already created this one, and here I created individually, and this one I just made in the pot, and the same one I just duplicate it and cut half and put on top. But I have different UV for them. I didn't keep the same UV. Now this model I'll take to the substance painter here. So in the substance I have already pot texture separate and this one separate. So here what you have to do is take a new one, select that, and we'll get the mesh. After that go and change this and bake the mesh up to 2K. Okay, the baking is done. So this texture I have created already before. So what you have to do is we can use a smart material and edit them, or else we have to just go here, take a fill layer, add a black mask, add a paint and change the color. I want some dark green here, like this green. Select the paint and go here, select this and select the UV and check, or else you can just select the mesh and click the mesh. So now we can change the color according to our needs. Now we need some kind of dark patches inside. So for that what you have to do is we have to take a fill layer and go to smart mask, and here we can see this one, dark soft edge. We can add this mask here on it. So now you can see it has two colors. So when you change this color to some light green, okay, so the bottom color we can change to dark. And we can give some other mask also. Select the fill layer and add some dirt, dusty dirt, and it like some different color, some different dark green patches. Yeah, I think this green we need to change little bit to and we can add our roughness value also and height too, but here I'm going to add height only for this mask. Now take another fill layer and add a black mask, add a paint, or else I'll show you how to work with the smart material. Like go to smart material, so I'm selecting this one on top, add a black mask, go to UV. So now I need to select all of them, this one, so I'm selecting only them. So now you can see that different. And this one too. So now we have already smart material, and we can change the base to little bit dark, and dark also little bit dark, and some reddish value will be there. So that's how you can create this one. So now we have this part, so we need the pink part. What you have to do is only select, okay, I'll delete this too. Okay, so here take a folder and keep all, select all of them, keep the folder there, hold them and put in the folder. So this one for was for bottom part, and now duplicate this one. It's like pink part. So now add the black mask. Here also add a black mask. So you can see everything has gone. Now you can select where you want to put that green one. So all the green one I have selected here. Now the pink part, we need to change the color to pink. Okay, this pink and this one. This one also you need to change the color to pink. Okay, we can adjust later after assigning that. So select this black mask, and here we have to select this UVs. Actually you can select the mesh directly, already be there. So now we can change the color according to our reference. So I want something like that. And now this one also select the black mask and again select them here, because I kept all the UV separately, so it's easy to texture. So that's how I created the texture here, and then I just took them into Speedtree. I'll show you how I took them here. like from here I have taken the mesh, and then I'll hide this one. This one I have taken individually, and this one I have taken individually. So I have taken another pot, this pot mesh. So here what you have to do is you have to go to geometry and photo geometry. From that you have to select one mesh. Now select the mesh, and we have already selected our mesh, and here materials. So if I want to pot material here, what you have to do is you have to select the material, go to material, and then pot base color. It came huge, so we have to, you can see it's huge. Now we have to scale it down. I'll keep it 0.1. So that also quite big. 0.05. That was big. We can reduce it to 0.03. We'll keep it. It's like something like 6 inches. Now you have to we can take another mesh, photo geometry, and 3D mesh. Now we'll assign that cactus material. That material is, yeah, here. So now this one also came huge. So this one also you have to keep 0.05. So now you can see that is in. So what you have to do is you have to select this cactus and press W, and here. Now we can add some winds, even though wind doesn't work for cactus, but if you want we can just enable some wind just for animation and all. So that's how I have created this one. Thanks for watching.